You have the orange Alpine 6E. This is their electric bike. It's the same sort of industrial design, handmade in the UK. The battery and controller and everything are all in here. It's running a Shimano motor, Fox Float X2 rear shock, XT rear derailleur. Massive gear ratio on there, considering it's electrically assisted as well. Of course, it's pedal assist. In the UK, that's what the law is, so it's pedal assist. There's no twist throttle or anything like that. Fox transfer dropper post. Shimano Saint 4-piston brakes. Belts there. It's made in Halifax, UK. Hope stem. Dropper post lever. Fox factory 36 Kashima fork on it. And yeah, overall, a very, very good bike.